Bro, it's
It's
not
not
yours.
unoriginal.
No, no.
Wait, who do
I
who-
carried you
No.
for the fucking round, so your eyes my character.
No.
Yeah, I carried you. Actually, at the end of the thing, I swear I was the one who did the most damage. I won't even lie, bro.
You
GG.
did the most
Can we
damage,
ban
but
this
you
guy?
were the most- I never died, like the thing.
No, please.
Bro, why is there three of us? Stop.
Obama's losing his mind.
Please, let me play a character of my own.
Obama, I mean, Sante, be more original, bro.
Bro,
Like,
for
what?
real. Imagine you're like a no.
Oh,
What the
my
fuck is that
Crab,
thing?
man.
Is that a plan?
Don't pick the crab, bro.
Don't pick the
It's
crab.
not a
Crab
plan.
robot.
No, don't pick the crab robot, please.
Okay, we're fucked. Okay, GG, GG.
Nah, bro, he got this. He was the tank. I got him do damage. Oh, finally, all of us are alive.
Is that a different tank, Hana? Not the one that I played,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, not the one that
No,
I played. You got
different,
tentacles and shit. What the fuck? Are you
It's
porn?
just a different skin, bro.
Is that a skin or a different version of it?
Different game altogether.
Fuck you, Anna. I mean, no, Alec.
Wow, what's wrong with you, bro? You're bad at the game.
I'm gonna be bad at the game like this. Nigga, you trash.
Oh, I can hear you guys.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay, I
it
did.
was Cecil.
wasn't.
Cecil.
What's hitting me? Oh,
Fuck this shrine, bro.
Oh, here's the teleport.
This-
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my dick inside the shrines so they can feel my grasp. Cause they don't
I
give me
think I
nothing.
should be
You got
walking
little thing.
alone.
What?
yeah, I think we should all be alone, guys. What is this? Like,
I think I should get some fucking money. Hey!
yeah, I think so too, bro. You're poor. I got so much money. I'm so rich.
Kom igen till oss så du inte dör.
Oh, Liam, don't die,
Jag
bro.
märker det.
Hey, Makeria, man.
Did them die? Oh no.
Yeah.
No, no.
Sorry, sorry.
But I was close to dying.
That is
Good
not
work, thank you for the mountain.
Oh. Why am I only getting trash stuff? Why am I entitled to this? Why is it me all the time?
I'm getting Sigma.
No.
Vet du, ta den där, ta den.
Oh my god. Alec, did you just kill that guy?
Yeah, I'm just going
Thank you so much. Finally! Oh my god.
Yay!
Ill.
Barriera de la Barella. Oi, oi, oi.
Okay, if I use this, I'm gonna die.
Yes.
Watch
GG.
this.
There we go.
Oh,
Hey!
I'm dying for
Who's
it.
stealing, you plant? Look at that, bro. Look at this guy.
But I didn't steal anything.
Oh, this. I see you stealing. Not, I see you stealing, bro.
For real.
You think you're slick with it, bro? No, no, no.
I'm lying about it as well?
Exactly wrong.
Are we fucking Ana in the ass? Alec?
That's pretty rude.
Why am I only getting stun grenades, bro? This is not fucking
Yeah.
CSGO.
Dude, keep the stun grenade, bro. Very neat.
All time! I'm not
Very neat.
fucking CSGO, dude.
We don't use stun grenades in CSGO, bro. What do you want about?
What do you use?
We use flashbangs. I'm gonna flashbang.
There is a sound grenade, bro.
Oh my god, I got a life. Oh my god, change to
I
hit
got
the
wiped.
touch bomb. Change to hit the touch bomb.
Okay, let's just do the boss.
No, no, not right now, not right now. Let me loot a bit more, bro. There's so much to loot as well.
Let's
Look
wait,
like. Did you ever? Did you ever?
Let me heal
Did you ever?
Cecil. Oh,
Thank you so
no,
much.
I didn't really.
I did so much HP.
I don't understand my guy.
Ah, GG, bro. You're
Look at the wiki.
Yay! And his music was electric. What is this ukulele, bro?
Oh, that.
Ukulele.
I just read about that while I was coming home with the fucking pizza in my hand. What it
What
does
is
is you have a 25% chance to electrify people or something,
Oh, okay.
which actually does
Oh,
really
that's
good
pretty
damage.
Sigma.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, I don't have enough money.
Right, GG.
Oh my goodness. Is this a GG mode?
I'm gonna salvage
Holy
this.
loot, bro, like what?
Corrupts all ukuleles.
Corrupts?
Yeah.
What does that mean? Corrupts.
I don't know, it makes it better, I guess. It's the
Corrupting is.
Bro, you gotta give it
Good.
to me, bro.
Give yourself because I have the better item.
Like, I got the ukulele, which is the better.
No, it corrupts fungi or something. Not ukuleles. From what I've seen.
I'm
I have two of them.
ass.
Well, I'm a fucking support character.
Yeah, thank you, Svante. That is very nice of you.
Yeah.
Be the support to the main characters.
How did bro felt after saying that? Dude, I always like get scared of Ana because I think he's a monster or something.
I mean,
Haha. Kill yourself. Dog.
enemies with 4 or more debuffs are marked for death, taking bonus damage. That's sick.
That's Sigma. Regarding
Okay,
the
let's go
four
do the
people.
boss.
Is
We got
Liam
this.
gonna get this game?
Liam?
No, I mean
He's already got
Adam. Sorry, gang.
Oh my goodness. This is mine. This is so sick.
Stop being so Sigma.
Right, we're done here, guys.
There are 3 deep in there here.
Oh, I got a legend!
Yes.
Well, it's dog shit anyways, because it just gives you like soda.
Yeah, I got it. Soda. Soda.
No,
Joe
it's not soda
Biden.
good. Soda
I'm Joe
good.
Biden. Dude, that was so fucking funny, man. GG, you're bad.
Okay, let's just
You're
start the
okay.
boss fight.
Have your speed, bro. I'm a fucking snail.
Yeah,
I'm a fucking snail.
nice, Liam. Good job. This is very sick movie.
Okay, what the fuck?
No, there's 2 of them already.
I'm just stuck between both of them.
There's 4 of them.
Don't worry, guys.
Dying.
I got
I'm so
stunned.
slow, I can't move.
It's fine. Don't worry, guys. I'll kill them.
Can we ban Ollie?
I forgot to... Oh, dang. Look at me, bro. I'm doing the damage, guys.
I'm just
One.
I'm being Attack on Titan. This is Attack on Titan right now. Look at me.
Yeah, I see that. There we go. That's another one dead. Then that one. Oops, I missed that.
My god, I just got stunned.
My goodness, I'm like a fandom. There we go. Defeat the teleporter boss after activating 2 shrines of the mountain. That's sick.
GG.
Oh, there's so
Oh, what the
many!
fuck? Oh, I'm so fast! I'm so fast! I'm so fast!
Yeah.
Look at me! Look at me!
Why am I so bad, bro? I'm so
Look at
slow.
me.
Look at me.
Look at me! Let's race on it! Aye, aye.
I'm so fast. Yeah, guys, it was so worth it. That was so worth it. It's one day, it's not Sigma. The Sigma can't get any closer, bro. Oh my. Look at this.
I got my soda!
Look at those slow his one days. Look at this guy, bro. Look at this guy. He's like,
Soda!
why are you so slow, Zvante?
Why is it so slow?
I don't know, man.
He's saying all sort of
Like
stuff.
Everything. Okay.
Look, I'm so
I
fast!
literally
Wow,
have
why am I so
300%
fast?
move speed. I have 300% plus move speed out of combat.
Yeah, I need that, bro.
No, you don't. Look at me, look at
I
how
can't
fast I
go anywhere!
am. Look how fast I am. Oh my goodness. I'm roaming around the map.
I'm so damn
Oh,
fast!
there's a voiting. Oh, I'm dying. I'm in combat now. I'm not fast anymore.
Yeah, just you.
Guys, help me do the void.
I'm coming. Since I'm so fast, like I can't come that fast, you know?
Yeah.
You know what I mean, Hannah? Ah!
Don't go in, don't go in, don't go
Let
in.
me see. Oi. Give me!
Bro. No, don't take that, Liam. You're gonna die. Don't go inside there. You're gonna die. Inside there. He's very bad.
I think I broke it,
Bad inside there, but he's bad inside there.
but it's so good. What do you mean it's bad?
I'm dying.
It's like you... How do you
No, I'm dying.
fuck this shit up?
I'm dying. GG.
Get down.
Oh, is it done?
Wait, just poke the needles and just it gets done after you done them.
Bro, there's Void Steam monsters still, guys. I'm dying! Hey,
You're not dying.
where's the Void Steam monsters though?
I just got the worst one. Oh my fucking retarded
Good
ass.
I got an item.
Okay, I've done it.
Did you do it?
Yeah, wait.
No, you didn't do it. Are you dumb? You gotta kill the 7 other Void monsters.
Now what the
They're
fuck?
roaming around the map. You take passive damage in there, bro. Careful.
What other save mono nigger monsters, bro? I don't see them.
Yeah, I know. You need them. That's fine. We have a huge problem, guys. What's this? Oh, purchase refreshing beverage. I don't think.
That's mine. The one
Yeah,
I
I
stole from you.
Okay, I'm gonna go on the other side.
Kill this guys. What void sea monster or what the fuck are you talking
Yeah,
about?
I don't know where they are though. I'm trying to find them.
I'm trying to bang.
They're not here.
Ah, I found one.
Oh, I found another one. Wait. Oh my days.
It's
Help me with
the
that one.
galaxy ones, like kind of shit.
Yeah, it is. Though. It's like mine is a fat one.
This is literally nail gameplay.
Oh, fuck.
Cute gameplay. I think Hannah is
Dante
having
is
so much.
enjoying his
Yeah,
character.
I think he's having so much fun.
Careful, Obama.
I think he will never
Oh, yeah.
stop playing that character ever again.
Bro.
Ah!
What the ball?
He stole my shit. Fuck you.
You got stolen by a snake. You should have stolen by a snake.
Oh, yo,
Get right.
that's embarrassing, bro. Okay, I'm going around the map to find the void guys. I'm so fast that it doesn't even matter.
Oh, I got a red one. Reduce the armor of enemies after repeatedly striking them.
Oh.
GG.
Good job. GG.
Shattering, yes, that's good though.
That's really
Yeah.
good.
I'm a fucking snake.
Bro, where are
Oh, you guys were getting all the items, but what the fuck was it?
the... Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Guys were sick.
of course. I can't stop being so sick, no, so that's what I do.
Bro, where are the void guys, man?
Here.
Here's one. Did you want to take this? Oh, that's one guy. There we go.
Your go-to.
Oh, I got it already as well. I got
Fast
another
fuck,
item.
boy.
This is gonna keep gambling at this point. GG.
Where's the other dude?
There's nothing. What's up? Bro, there's still some monsters, man. Where are they?
Do you guys see any...
Bro, find the void monsters, man. Rain, fruit. Oh, there it is, man. I found it. It's over here. Look like 30 million. Very good. Does that take all of them? Yes. Okay. Tickle me feet, fam, because I'm definitely.
Found the teleporter now?
I got the voids and
I
flame.
got the ukulele.
Am I killing these guys? Oh, I got
Oh,
something
yes.
so good. I got something so good. Release void potential.
Dude, I be getting bussing shit.
I'm busting. GG.
Hello.
Hallå?
Ja, men kostar den alltså 50 000 eller?
Ja.
Nej, det är inte alls sorgligt, det fan finns.
That's pretty weird.
I think that's racist.
Probably.
Reactivate the teleporter.
Yes.
Wait a second. I'm doing something very important, guys.
Where is the teleport?
By me.
Okay.
Guys, don't
We're
forget.
fairly close, so...
Yeah. It's fine. I can get there in like a second.
I'll just flexing them hard.
Like, give me one minute, guys. Gotta find this void zone.
I think we should just...
Wherever. Van Alec. Yes.
Yeah. Let's just get on to it. What am I getting?
Okay. Yeah, you can start it.
Try something big just fine.
I can't even get up.
Oh, careful of that thing. Careful of that.
Yeah.
This is Attack on Titan. GG.
Okay, let's start.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Where is it? Oh, it's up here. Where is his ass? Oh, it's my friend again.
Okay, now.
Let me get one.
Oh!
Don't die.
I'm tanking!
No. Thank you. Oh, good.
I'm stuck on the map.
Nice. Nice GG for you, bud.
Okay.
Oh,
just
right.
save
No,
some
no,
items now.
let's want it, please.
Oh guys, like also
one.
for the team, hello.
Let's want to get these. Oh my, there's a bomb.
I mean, there's
Kill this
there's
guy.
enough for Hana.
Bro, you
I don't-
can't do that to him, bro.
He doesn't need them.
He's
Oh,
like playing on a snail, bro. What do you want him to do? Look at him.
We could have just give him the stuff then. Why did you pick it up, Alec?
That helps him go somewhere when he's out of combat. Like what?
No,
Yes.
I don't think so. Wait, what did I pick up? The talent in a burst of rage or something. Okay. So when I take damage, I do damage.
Yeah, when you take damage, you're out.
That means that I need it. So GG, bro.
No.
Like, you don't understand this type of shit.
You don't understand this shit, bro.
What? Okay, how is this hell gonna help Hana?
So you can go around the map. Crazy.
He has legs without doing damage.
What do you mean? How do you see how slow he is? He's like.
But it's not gonna give him
literally-
speed.
It's like he's disabled. Why does he
I
even
know.
have legs at this?
Do you guys have it?
Blue portal, what's this?
Oh, let's go.
It's for lunar shit. The lunar moon money cash. Boom, look at that.
Oh no, I have 9. I only need one more.
Dude, I literally find none of them.
I'm gonna kill this guy, bro. I swear.
Sure.
Oh man.
Less,
got
less,
Alright.
less. Full charge. I think he's dead. Rest.
Guys,
Rest.
Plant a
Rest,
healing fruit and
rest,
kill.
Rest. Rest. Rest.
Yo,
Rest.
dude,
Rest.
stop.
Rest.
He's just gonna.
Okay.
No!
He banned me.
Oh, don't take the item now, please.
Yeah, don't worry. Let me see. Oh, you can't go in anymore. Oh my days, Svante. You can't go in anymore. Come, look. Dude.
Guys, this is gay.
Look. Oh
Why did
my
he
God.
ban us, bro? I don't understand this game.
Oh my days, bro. You guys are making Svante not enjoy this game run, bro.
Next round, he
What
should have
did he-
picked the elementary guy though.
Oh
No, I'm
my
gonna
days.
pick
Like-
the loader.
guy.
I
Bro,
think he's,
I don't even need to use my shift to
I think
like,
he's kind of
run
mad
around.
at me.
Not you, bro.
Mad, no, just annoyed.
Oh, the void zone
I
again.
slow
Let's go.
him.
Let's go. Zone. Wait, let me see that.
Click on Titan.
Ja, men gör det.
That. Where's the other? There's one up there, Obama. Oh, one. Get him, Obama. Get him. Careful.
Oh, no, no, no.
Doing that. Okay.
Oh, I'm done. Okay. That was fairly easy.
Yeah. Oh, is that you, Obama? That I'm hearing.
That goes like.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I got a pollute. Corrupts
I
all
kinda
your killers.
Liam, how did you die though?
I got hit like, I don't know.
It's fine.
It's probably you probably died because there are like guys that give you like poison damage and it just hurts you a lot if you get that. I don't know.
Who just hit me up?
Bro, watching Svante play right now is just the funniest shit. Look at this
I'm
guy.
like a walking turret now.
Yeah, you
Oh
are
my god,
though.
wait, you're so slow.
Yeah, did you never see
I
that?
wonder why.
And then compare me and Svante,
You
like,
were
look at this.
faster before.
I got even more sprint speed now.
Ja, för
Ja, men du är
att
snabb.
jag picked up. Ja, men jag tog en grej som inte hört. Ja,
Ja, du är slöare.
ja, fan I'm open there. Yes.
Nice, nice.
I found a way to make the observer go faster.
Really?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh,
I jumped while sprinting.
okay. That's nice.
That's
I like
crazy.
that, man. Means that you're making progress.
Alltså han drar en grej som dubblar dig 2 AP men halverar din speed.
Ja, jag vet.
Okay. I found the portal.
You found the portal? Okay, nice.
Okay. Hold interact to slam down. What? What do you mean hold interact? What the fuck does that mean? What the fuck does interact mean?
I'm trying to see.
Yeah, well, that does not work.
That does not work.
Yes.
I just use my ability. Oh my god. This is parkour.
Oh.
It's only I'm immune to cold damage as well. Going this fast. I got an extra jump. I'm getting everything fast speed related.
Should we start the portal now?
Okay.
Just wait
Teoresim
a
yani.
bit. Do you wanna get this? I'm also.
Че береке?
No, I got missiles instead.
Да, де че береке?
Alec, do you wanna get this?
Да.
He does.
Oh. Yo, that's
There's a
not
lunar coin there. Alec,
Yeah,
lunar
what?
coin.
Coin?
Yeah, lunar coin.
Where is it?
Well, I'll kill it now.
Oh, you. Okay, nice. Okay, there I got 10. So next time I can. I'm gonna max out this thing. Okay, we got healing here. Can I ping it?
Where's the portal?
I don't know. Obama, you know.
The portal?
Yeah.
I forgot. Wait.
The portal? I forgot.
You see? Should I start it?
Wait. Yeah, show it now, if you can.
Wait.
Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? That you wanted.
Oh, I fucking okay, I didn't.
Oh, there it is. Where is it?
Oh, there's two.
Oh my god. Sent a Molotov there.
This shit does so much damage. With the criticals and everything. Oh, I'm falling down.
Nice, that's one down.
I didn't get full damage.
Let it get up. Oh, there's things healing. Where am I?
Okay, I'm not gonna take it, but
Oh, yeah.
what
Oh,
is this? Instantly
Yeah, I'm
kill
down
low
to
health
this.
elite monsters.
Can I get one item, please?
Instantly kill low health elite monsters. Okay, that's. Oh my god. Did you not get any? Obama, can you stop killing me?
He did get one.
Not like.
There's one here.
Like. So slow that he can't.
That's what-
Fix your mic, Alec.
Hello.
Hold on.
It's good.
Alrighty då.
Bobby G.
What's that? Come on, please. Oh, what's this guy doing here?
Is there in turrets? No turrets, guys.
Oh.
There's some cash, can buy some turrets. Turrets?
Oh, reaching complete third teleporting even without dying. I got the. Whoa, let's go. Okay, let's go teleport, bro. Oh, did you do it already?
Heal while sprinting.
You know.
I am getting crazy stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to carry this guy.
I got yeah. Yeah, don't worry. Oi, void again. Oh
What
my,
the fuck is
that's,
going on?
Burger one, bro.
What are these, man?
that's a lot.
Die! Okay.
Oh, right.
This is a lot.
Don't die, Liam, don't die.
Dude!
Try to.
I just tanked
die
so
out
much
of the
damage!
zone. That's good, Obama. We got a healer, we got a tanker, we got somebody that can do damage as well. Okay, nice.
Volcanic.
I can't die inside this motherfucker. Look, I'm
Bro.
healing all the time. I
Nice.
can't die.
That's good.
I'm
trying to
goated.
find- Find all the monsters, please. Thank you.
Wish.
I don't see any more monsters. We gotta find another void zone or something.
So,
Bro, I got so
over
many,
there.
so much money already. Oh my days.
Hello.
What did I get?
Okay, find over the mountain.
Ja, erkänn.
Okay, now.
Det
Oh, okay, right.
One more monster.
är
Come on.
mycket damage i alla fall.
Ja, hyfsat. Ja. Eller inte jättemycket.
There we go. Nice. Perfect.
Det har varit många debuffs ja.
Let me get this.
Men du, alltså,
Oh, there's a key. Does anybody have a rusty key? Anybody have a rusty key?
I can't, I do, I just got it.
Yeah, come here. Here. Let me cut.
I'm not gonna get it.
Get
Fan, det är grejer.
Let's see. It's all guillotine.
I'm getting all these things, bro. What is it? There's one more thing. Oh, nice one.
Why are you trying to get my stuff?
No, I'm not.
Well, why did it go away then?
I got them all.
Mark where the teleport is.
Yeah, with
middle
the
map.
Pearlville.
Can someone get this one? This thing is so strong.
Where? I'm coming.
Like it actually buffs everyone, and the buff also
Junior,
heals.
yeah, I'm gonna get that. Stante, can you come? No, actually, no. I had nothing else.
Okay, I'm dying.
Don't where are you? Where are you?
I'm coming to Liam, trying to.
Yeah, go.
just-
Go, get.
I'm dying.
Nice.
Bro, who's doing like 600k damage?
Me.
That's fucking crazy, man. I'm doing like 80.
No, that's not my original damage though. Like that's an item's damage of mine, but still my damage, kind of.
So not your damage.
Not really. Also.
It was mine damage.
I found all my days. I found.
I
the
have
best
like
thing.
2.5 chance to instantly kill an enemy, and that's.
Oh, I got 1.5.
That's
Oh wait, are we?
Hey!
Oh.
Did you guys
Did it?
just?
I didn't do that.
What the fuck is going on? I didn't even heal.
Oh my days, dude.
Wait, that
I can't heal.
Wait, let
but-
me come up. Let me come up.
the flying thing is the boss.
I don't know. I don't see anything. Wait. He's healing. Wait, guys. Let me get there as well.
Okay,
gonna
I'm
do the
dying.
easy stuff. No, Obama, don't die. Wait.
Fuck.
Don't die, Obama. Come on, we're doing damage. We're doing damage. Just don't be too close to it. Obama, don't be too
Oh,
close.
do you want me to run away or?
Yeah, exactly.
I need to hit something.
Oh,
I
I'm
need to find-
dying as well. There's like guys around you that do a lot of damage.
Come on, that's.
Okay. There we go. He's dying, he's dying. Oh, what? Is he gone? Oh, he healed! What? Oh no,
There's another
there's
one,
items.
another
Wait,
one.
that.
There's
All
items.
the
There's not-
guillotines, all
You can get-
the all the guillotines on.
Maybe I can get
Oh.
or not.
Yeah, I mean,
There was one more after the boss.
where's the... It is the other boss. This one.
This is the other boss.
Yeah,
I'm
it
trying to fight it.
Yeah, okay. There we go. I did a frenzy, by the way, so you guys...
Nice.
Oh,
Nice.
I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying. I'm dying.
Nice. The damage.
I gotta kill some other guy. Make it a heal.
It just healed. What the fuck?
Yeah, I know.
Bad guys, I don't know, I'm too slow to go something.
Oh, come on, wait.
I think he has like some supporters around him or something.
Gives it a lot of health.
Try to kill the things around him that heals him.
Oh,
Run.
no, get. No. Oh, I'm up in the air.
Okay.
No, he's killing him. You should all of them.
I did.
Oh my
Look,
days.
I just hit it and it... Okay, what the fuck? It's too low.
I got it.
I killed it!
I got it. I got it. I got it. Sorry.
Or we, I don't know, we just killed it. He
Go
died.
check the middle. Go check the middle.
Yeah, I'm going. We're in middle. This.
What is
Oh
it?
yeah, yeah. Obama, come.
Where?
Get this.
Where?
Everybody of us. Plant a
Men
healing
fick
fruit
du någonting när vi dödade honom?
Jag fick ingenting.
in here.
Alltså något som poppar upp.
One more.
Plant
Let the
a
other one
healing
get Liam. Let Liam get the other one.
Well,
Because we need these.
it's right here, I thought I got the other one. I was
Go
scared.
to the teleporter. Get it full. I wanna. Don't go in first, by the way. Don't take the teleporter first. I'm gonna get some items.
Okay, this is goated,
Gå in i
because
mitten.
getting a heal when we kill anybody, then that's like goated.
Men gå in i mitten av en pinga. Det är en gula påsen.
Kom igen Leon.
There.
Gå in i mitten av en pinga. Alltså den gula påsen i mitten. Den får han.
I'm charging this shit.
Okay, just like go to the teleporter. Yes, charge it up. I need the like items. Just wait a bit. I got some items at me, so just let me get these. I gotta get and do more damage, bro. I suck for some reason. I do no damage.
No, we just don't realize how much damage we do in my opinion.
I don't know.
Sometimes. Like last match, I did some good damage, but I really didn't like thought I did. So
Okay, go. Don't go in the teleporter yet, please. Okay.
Vad var det du did?
Oh my days, who did it?
Obama.
okay, I thought you said you go in, and I just.
No, okay, it's fine. Though,
Over
it's fine.
here.
What did he
And
want
then
to
the
do?
hood, though.
I just wanted to get items because there were some leftover things. Don't take my thing, please. I beg.
Oh,
Thank you. Right.
I'm like a fucking jellyfish.
Yeah, I see that. Bro. You're guessing ever. Guessing ever.
It's a rusty box here.
What box? Rusty box? Oh, I don't got anything for it.
Fucking die, you faggot.
Wait, guys, is this map again? We can do the code thingy, I think.
oh, this Buddha is.
Yeah. He's the big Buddha guy. He's still
Oh
here.
my fucking god!
Nah, Liam, you got this, bro. I
Come here,
believe
nigga.
you.
Like that.
Kill this bitch ass.
No. You don't. Oh, is Buddha there? Do you not
Yeah.
have the thing to? Oh, bro. Okay, let me try my shit.
Oh what?
See if I can kill it. Oh,
I was just
Shit.
one shot by something.
there is Buddha guy.
I wasn't even
Oh my
looking.
days. I might die myself.
I hope you guys get the insta kill guy. Shit.
Yeah, I hope
No.
I don't. I don't. Or, I mean, definitely not getting it.
We gotta play like close to each other so Hana can heal.
Oh, I'm dead.
No.
Like
Really?
I said. Well, I
You're not dead?
don't even know my character, bro. I'm a fucking squid, bro.
I can try and explain it to you.
Yeah, I need to my skills. I need to know what my skills is. Well, I know what my
Oh my
skills is.
days. This Buddha guy is a bit too crazy. I gotta kill him. Or we're cooked.
Oh, nice.
What is your character's name?
I think it's Rex.
Yeah, don't get
Rex?
close to him, please.
Yeah.
Jag har fått en thing för...
Okay, so what do
I'm
you
gonna try to get him.
Ja.
your passive with certain attacks weaken enemies hits, reducing their movement speed, armor and damage. Your primary weakens and heals for 60%, weakens enemies, and you heal yourself with for 60% of your damage dealt.
I literally do no damage, bro. I'm so done. It's like GG.
Okay, hello Buddha man.
Is your second skill seed barrage, or like is it like a thing where you use a mortar.
Oh my days.
Yeah,
Ja, Svante gör det.
mine too.
That does. It takes your 15% HP. It takes 15% HP off you. But it does 450% damage.
Det är en jävla slang.
Okay.
And your utility, you fire a sonic boom that weakens all enemies. And then your ultimate, you use your 25% HP.
Oh
You
my
fire a
days.
flower that roots for 200% damage and heals for every target hit. Did you hear me?
Oh my.
Yeah, I hear you, bro. Listen.
Okay. Then that's it. That's your special as well. That's the same.
Oh my.
So some of your skills.
Dude, oh.
What the fuck is
I'm
going on with
dying.
Hana? I mean, no, Alec.
No.
Did you just kill
Oh,
yourself?
GG. Yeah, I think I did.
Oh, you're
Hey.
alive. Run for your HP,
I'm
run
like-
for your HP, run for your HP.
Bro, Svante, let's go, let's go. No, we're going to the dimension.
No, you gotta
Something
run
calm down where
for
I
your
am.
HP, bro. Like, that's what I'm trying to say.
No.
Can I fucking hit you?
I'm not.
I'm
Oh,
doing 24 damage, nice.
look at how little damage I took. No!
What is that? What the fuck you get? Oh, that's the bulldog guy. Use your ultimate at this point, dog. What the fuck? Okay. Use it again.
Yeah, I know.
What's up, guys?
Nice.
That guy is dead.
Oh my god. 4 fucking ghosts, nice.
I'm gonna die.
Oh
Yep.
my days. Are you-
Dude, I don't understand why this character sucks or some shit, bro. What is this? Why can I do not do damage, man?
What do you have a sniper that does like 50k?
Yeah, I do. I don't
Where am I
understand.
going?
Look at that.
Zvante, your only option is to go down and just do the portal so you revive. Yeah, down here, yeah. Yep, this is where I die, by the way. Just be careful. Yep,
Okay, that's where Hana dies as well.
Yeah.
Oh, we're
Oh,
all
the
dead?
2 new items, nice.
Yeah, Hana, can you just be the carrier, man?
I got 600
I don't know, I was a fucking snake.
No, literally.
75% of the game.
What is he saying? I don't understand him.
Obama and you, Svante, did more damage than me. You both did more damage than me. Okay. Yeah. The second
Yeah,
we lost
yeah.
Obama.
I got
The
Rex
second we lost
ability.
Obama, we lost this map. GG. Oh, brother, I don't understand, man.
Okay.
That's why I want the other guy. Oh,
I got a new
where am I?
character. No.
Guys? Where am I?
Yeah.
I'm in the main menu. Why am I here?
Just
Join
Join then.
Give me an invite. Give me an invite.
Oh my
get
days.
right. Okay, so I wanna play something that does something good.
Oh, that's hard, man.
Okay, look, I love this Gauntlet guy.
Well,
Right.
Svante, just play whatever you want. Don't. We're not gonna force
Yeah, I
you to play
know.
everything you don't.
Oh, I know.
Humor Hagen. Amazing. Don't deal 200% damage again. That's crazy.
Can somebody invite me? Please.
Oh, no, I saw in the head.
Do you get banned?
Yes, I did. That's the problem.
That's crazy. Can you join?
Yeah.
Okay.
Svante,
I'm gonna play this
just
guy
one thing.
for no reason.
This guy